Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Ring doorbell camera keeps going offline in 2026. Now, Ring devices depend heavily on the Wi-Fi signal quality and not just the connection. So you can just simply open your Ring application. In it, simply go to Device Health. Now inside the device health option, you need to check the RSSI value. So around -40 to -60 is good. If it is below 70, it simply means that there is a weak and unstable connection. Now, if your signal is weak, you can move your router closer, use a Wi-Fi extender or a Ring Chime Pro. So this is the number one cause of the online issues. Now, if the doorbell is battery powered, the low battery can also cause the frequent disconnections. So you can simply charge or replace the battery and check again. If it is wired, you can check the voltage output from the transformer. Insufficient power can also cause the device to reboot or go offline. Now, modern routers can cause the disconnections. So you can go into the router settings. In it, you just have to basically disable the band steering, which is the smart connection option. Also, you need to use a dedicated 2.4 gigahertz network. Set the security to WP82 and avoid hidden SSID. These changes improve the stability of your internet. Now, if too many devices are connected, your router may drop the doorbell. So you need to enable the QoS in router settings and prioritize your Ring device. Also disconnect any unused devices to reduce the load. So if none of the methods are working for you, you can just simply do a quick reset. For that, you just have to simply press and hold this reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds and see if it resets and ready for the connection again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.